Hello, and welcome to today's new episode of How to Liquidate Your Company Without the Waiting Year. I am Richard Hoffman, Senior Partner, Lawyer, and member of the International Management Board of Ecovis International. So let's get started. But first, let's have a recap. In Germany, the waiting year usually begins from the day when the shareholders' meeting resolves to dissolve the company. It is a mandatory year to take. Why? Because all creditors must have the opportunity to register with the company in liquidation and to collect their outstanding claims. During this period, no assets of the GmbH in liquidation are allowed to be distributed to the shareholders. There are strict rules to be followed during the waiting year. Number 1. The shareholders are not allowed to receive any kind of assets of the dissolved company. Secondly, only claims third-party creditors from third-party businesses shall be settled. These are, for example, claims from involved companies. Shareholders and the general manager or their family will remain unsolicited. Last but not least, liabilities. The waiting year isn't a preclusive period, and claims from known creditors who did not register during this one-year period will not expire, but unknown creditors' claims will expire if the waiting year is over and the company's assets used up. Parties whose claims against the liquidated company arise during the waiting year or even after are considered unknown creditors. Heirs or legal successors are some of them. Let's come back to the main topic and talk about liquidating a company without a waiting year. This is only possible if every single one of the following criteria are met. If these are the case, a liquidation and the waiting year aren't necessary anymore. All transactions of the companies must be settled, and the company's assets must be zero. It is a rare case if a company ticks all the boxes, but if it happens, the liquidator shall hand in a registration at the Court of District. An actual presentation of the company's actual finances and assurance that there really are no assets nor further liquidation measures outstanding are still required by the court. As already mentioned, the scenario of a company dissolution is fairly rare, but possible. If there is no waiting year, there won't be any proceeding costs during the waiting year, as there is none. But if something goes wrong, subsequent liquidation will come with a cost factor. Alternatively, the direct dissolution may be initiated by the Financial Bureau or Registry Court. We are Ecovis Heidelberg, your trusted partner in legal, tax, and consulting services. Our team of experienced attorneys and tax advisors is here to provide comprehensive support for all your business needs. Whether you require assistance with liquidation or expert consulting, we have the expertise to guide you through every step of the process. Contact us today and let us help you navigate the complexities of the corporate world with confidence.